As we move ahead without MageNative mobile app configuration tutorial, let's explore the product listing page. Begin by navigating to the left panel and selecting the product listing page. This serves as the canvas where you can meticulously refine and tailor your app's appearance. Upon selection, you'll encounter a pivotal decision: grid or list view. Choose the layout that aligns seamlessly with your brand's aesthetics and functionality. Next, delve into the image view type settings. Here, you're presented with the options of fill, fit, or square, allowing you to optimize the visual presentation of your content. Take full control of pricing display by specifying whether to showcase the minimum or maximum variant price. Fine-tune the appearance of your app by adjusting the corners within a precise scale of 0 to 20, utilizing the slider tool. Experience real-time updates as you make adjustments, witnessing the seamless transition of your mobile screen with each modification. Now, let's explore the product listing show hide settings, offering granular control over displayed elements. Utilize toggle buttons to effortlessly enable or disable various options to suit your preferences. Manage the visibility of product borders, observing immediate changes reflected on the mobile screen. Customize the display of product descriptions with ease, toggling visibility as desired. Determine whether to reveal discounted prices with a simple toggle, maintaining flexibility in your pricing strategy. Seamlessly switch between button and icon views for the Add to Bag feature, ensuring optimal user experience. Strike a balance between clarity and information by choosing to display either vendor names or product descriptions at a time. Finally, witness the culmination of your adjustments with a preview of the final app appearance on your mobile device. We hope this video helps you to understand the product listing page section. Thanks for watching.